9 financial goals you should have met by age 30. Whether you're a student, a new graduate, or an established professional, it's never too early to start planning for the future. Achieving financial independence is one of the most important goals in life. It's important to set financial goals and work towards them in order to secure your future. In this video, we will talk about some of the most important financial goals that everyone should achieve before they turn 30. Now, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, make sure you click on the bell to turn on notifications. This list is not in any particular order and covers the major aspects of financial life, from career to personal finance. 1. Emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is one of the first things that you should do when you start working. This will allow you to have a safety net for when times get tough. An emergency fund is a cash reserve that can be used in case of emergencies, such as a job loss or medical expenses. It should be at least 3 months of living expenses saved up, and it should not be touched unless absolutely necessary, and only for emergencies, not for frivolous purchases. An emergency fund is important because it can help you out in times of financial difficulties. If you lose your job or something else happens, you will not have to worry about paying bills because this fund will take care of that. 2. Credit card debt. Paying off your credit card debt is one way to build your financial security. Credit cards can be a financial quagmire for some, with interest rates that can reach 30% or more. This makes paying off credit card debt an even more frustrating prospect. Young people are often tempted to use their credit cards for everything because it feels like it's not a big deal. It's easy to rack up debt with credit cards, and before you know it, you're paying high interest rates on that debt. Paying off your credit card balance will help you get out of the interest rate trap, and it will give you more control over your money. This is especially true if you're carrying a balance on a high interest card. You'll save money by paying less in interest fees, so make it happen. 3. High interest debt or bad debt. Paying off high interest debt by the time you reach age 30 will save you a lot of money and stress down the road. The earlier in your life you start attacking your debt pile, the sooner you can be debt-free. Debt is an inevitable part of life, but it can be managed. You should aim to get out of debt as soon as possible. Debt can cause a lot of problems, so it's best not to take on any more than necessary because it will only make your life harder in the future. 4. Student loan. Student loans are a hefty amount that many people carry with them. Paying off student loans as quickly as possible is important to avoid paying high interest rates. According to U.S. News data, the average American graduates with about $30,000 in student loan debt. It's never too late to start paying off your student loans. Paying your student loan by age 30 is a good rule of thumb because that can help reduce the amount of interest you owe over time. To save time and money, you should start paying more than the minimum balance of your loan as soon as you enter the workforce. Student loans make it possible for students to pursue their dream degree, but they can also cause a lot of stress. If you don't pay your student loan by 30, interest will accumulate and it might be difficult to get out from your debt. The sooner you pay off your student loan, the quicker you can get on with your life. 5. Retirement account. You should have an established retirement account by age 30. With the cost of living rising and the average retirement age around 70, it's important to be proactive about saving for retirement. Saving for retirement is an important part of any person's life. However, it can be hard to set money aside for the future if you are only in your early 20s. Retirement might seem like a long way away, but it's important not to put this off until later on in life. It's never too early to start saving for retirement, because you are young and can take more risks with your investments than someone who is older and closer to retirement age. Plus, the sooner you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow and the better off you will be in your golden years. You can set up an automatic transfer from your checking account into a retirement fund each month, so that you don't even notice the money is gone, but it will be there when you need it in the future. One of the most common ways to save is by opening an IRA or a 401k, which is a type of retirement account. With a traditional IRA or 401k, you can deduct contributions from your taxable income and grow your savings tax deferred until distribution at retirement. 6. Credit score. Building your credit score before you're 30 is one important step towards financial success. A good credit score can help you get a mortgage for a new home, get approved for a loan to buy a car, get approved for credit cards with low interest rates, or make it easier to get a job. It's especially important to have one before you turn 30, because that's when lenders start taking your age into account as a factor in determining your ability to pay back loans. Having a good credit score will make your finances easier to manage in the long run. 7. Budget. You should have a budget that works for you. This will allow you to allocate your money in a more efficient way and save up a little bit of money each month. Most people have a hard time creating a budget that works for them. A helpful tip is to start by writing out everything you spend money on each month. This will help you find areas where you can save more money and give you an estimate of how much money is coming in versus money going out. 8. Invest in yourself and your skill set. Learning new skills is an important aspect of personal growth and development. It not only helps you stay up to date with the latest trends in your field, it also increases your marketability. Whether you're looking for a new job or just trying to push past a plateau in your career, continuing education is the way to go. As the world of business continues to change, it's important to take time to invest in yourself and learn a new skill set. Continuing education can help individuals advance their careers by providing them with training in areas that will be relevant to their careers well into the future. Learning new skills can open up more opportunities for your career. 9. Get another stream of income. You need to have another stream of income before you're 30. You spend the first 20 or so years of your life in school, where you learned how to complete assignments, take tests, and do homework. By the time you graduate, you've probably picked up a few skills that can be applied to a second stream of income. Side hustles are a great way to make extra money on the side, whether it's driving for Uber or freelancing on weekends. It's always important to have multiple streams of income because you could lose your job, or your business could fail at any moment. In conclusion, it's never too early to plan for your future. If you are on track to meet these goals by age 30, congratulations. If not, you should start making changes to your lifestyle now. It's important to plan and achieve these financial goals by age 30 in order to get ahead in life and stay financially stable. You will also be able to better plan for your future if you know where you stand financially now. These 10 goals are designed to help you get on the right track and set yourself up for success. They should help you find the right balance between saving and spending, so that you can still enjoy life while also being able to save for the future. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click on the bell, it will help me a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.